Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. And today, this bread recipe I'm going to share. It's not only the recipes, but I will also share some tips and tricks to how to get this no flour lentil bread recipe perfect. Because this took me like 3 to 4 trials to get it perfect, and I finally got it. So, what mistakes I did, everything I'm going to be sharing in this video. So, don't forget to watch this video till the end to see how to get this product perfectly. And trust me, once you make this bread, you are never going to stop making it because you can just have a look at the texture. It's the perfect, no yeast, no flour, healthy bread that your family and your friends are looking to eat. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And let's go make this healthy, viral masoor dal lentil bread.
So first, what you need is red lentils or masoor dal. You soak it for 2-3 hours. I did it overnight and I found that it smelled a lot. Soak it for 2-3 hours. Remove the water. Then we are going to either you can do one way is add all the ingredients together and then blend it. Make sure the baking soda is added after the blending. Or what you can do is take the masoor dal and you grind it very well, because what I realize in this process is that the masoor dal has to be grinded really well, then it becomes easier. Now I have mentioned that we need 1/4 cup of water. So make sure you do not take more than 1/4 cup of water, or else it will create a lot of hustle. You need 1/4 cup of water. Do not take more than that. So the way what I did of adding all the ingredients, in that a little more water was required. But when I did masoor dal separately and then added the other ingredients once the batter was made, I saw a lot of difference in the texture of my bread. So now you can see that the dough is ready. Then I just added some oil on my palms so that it gets easier to mix it and knead it. So this is how it's supposed to look. You can even make buns out of it. You can make rolls out of it. I liked it to make a bread. Now, one thing more I realized in this process is that you need a bigger tin. Like here, if you see, I used a smaller, like 6-inch bread tin, but I realized it did not bake that well. But when I took a bigger bread tin, like double of this size, it baked really well. I topped it up with some herbs, seeds, that's fine. So you bake it for around 60 minutes. And there you go, you will see the bread actually turns out really nice. It took me few attempts. In the first attempt, this bread had a like hollow in the inside, but this one was perfect within just 60 minutes and I really loved it. So one more tip, take a bigger cake tin or bread tin and you see the texture. This is how it's supposed to come out. So if you follow these few tips, I guarantee you'll get the perfect red lentil bread. It tastes amazing. It's very healthy. The recipe is in the description, so don't forget to check the recipe. And also let me know, I'm going to try chickpeas bread next. So let me know if you guys want me to try it really soon. And don't forget to try this recipe.